You'd be surprised at the sort of simple things a company can do to cut costs and save millions of dollars. For example, old El Paso had 17 different kinds of lids for its salsa jars. After realizing this was a bit extreme, it cut it down to 5, saving on manufacturing and supplies. Yoplait did something similar. Its yogurts used to sport a multitude of colored lids, but this did nothing to improve sales. By switching to plain silver caps, it saves itself $2 million a year. Who knew? Pillsbury cookie mix used to separately package the chocolate chips from the rest of the ingredients, so customers could sprinkle them on themselves. After research, though, it discovered this did nothing to improve customer experience or product quality, so Pillsbury combined it to the mix. Because, who cares how the cookie is made as long as you get to eat it, am I right? All employees can make small changes to save their company big money, like printing memos in black and white. What changes can you make?